The Nature of Dharma, a Multifaceted Concept by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Dharma, in its essence, can be perceived as a dynamic principle that encompasses righteousness, duty and moral law. It is not a static entity, but rather a fluid construct that adapts to the context of time, place and circumstance. In the realm of analytic philosophy, the examination of Dharma necessitates an inquiry into its ontological status, whether it exists as an objective reality or is merely a subjective construct shaped by cultural narratives. This inquiry is crucial, as it lays the groundwork for understanding how different societies interpret and implement Dharma in their daily lives. Furthermore, the metaphysical implications of Dharma invite contemplation on the nature of reality itself, as it posits that ethical living is intrinsically linked to the cosmic order. Consequently, the understanding of Dharma requires a synthesis of both empirical observations and abstract reasoning, thereby enriching the discourse surrounding ethical frameworks. This multifaceted nature of Dharma encourages individuals to engage in continuous reflection and dialogue, fostering a deeper comprehension of their moral responsibilities.